Give you guys another little taste real quick. This thing is cranking out some good music, and there's a decent amount of bass coming out of this too. I didn't realize that kind of when you walk away, how much actual bass you can actually hear. Either way, it turned out to be beautiful. Show you guys the lights again a little bit. So the client did want a smoked glass, so that's what we did. He didn't want it to be perfectly see-through. I do like the effect. I'll try to do that again on a future build. It's gonna look so good for home theater. It's gonna make the centerpiece. Anyways, YouTube, get this thing going in the client's house hopefully today, at least hooked up to the television. We'll go from there and then get the sub box going next. All right, later guys.